Hi everybody. Today I'll discuss all about the trigger and how to create a trigger and what is the purpose of the trigger. Before starting or creating a trigger, let's discuss all about the trigger. So a trigger is a special stored procedure that is run when a specific action occur within a database. Most of trigger are defined to run when changes are made to a tables or data. So trigger can be defined to run instead of or after DML actions such as insert, update or delete. So now we'll discuss about the parts of the trigger. So there is a three part in the trigger. One is event, activities, the trigger, condition, what are the condition, based on what condition it will fire, and action, what happens if trigger runs, that means what will be output. So when event occurs and condition is specified, the action will perform. So this is the all about the trigger, and we have to know about also the purpose of the trigger. So it generate the data automatically and enforce complex integrity constraints, customize complex security, authorization, audit data modification, and many more. So today we will do one after insert, what trigger action performing, that we'll see, and also then we'll add update statement into the trigger. So there is a row level trigger, statement trigger, and before and after trigger. So now there is a one scenario. For example, in one employee table, there is a SSN column. So in this SSN column, as you see, there is a duplicate record. So now we'll create a trigger and give the alert to the user when they're trying to enter duplicate SSN. So what is the solution? That means create a trigger. So as I mentioned here, requirement is alert user if SSN is entered duplicate. And what is the solution? Create a trigger on SSN column to avoid duplicate entry on SSN column for each transaction. So now let's start and see the whatever we have database in here. See, we have a column, and now let's see our table, how many record, as you see, and in this table there is a one record. Now if you entered with a different name like first name, last name, but the same SSN, as you see 878493829, it will accept, it will not give you any error. As you see, it is accepted. And if you select the record, you see there is a two record added. See, one is Mike, one is Ken and Tony. So now what we have to do, we have to create a trigger on SSN column and alerting to the user that when they're trying to add duplicate SSN, it will not allow to add. That means that insert statement will not execute. Let me show that. Say, going there and just right click on trigger and then click on new trigger. So let's see what we can, how can we can create a trigger. So for that, as you see, the statement already created. Now we just uh, let's say we create a trigger. So create a trigger, then just we can give like simply C RAT trigger, then trigger name my trigger, then on will create on what table, our this table. Okay, then we'll put here after insert then as begin, then we are declaring variable at wrong SSN and chr like 10, then we'll set at wrong SSN, then we'll select that means where we are adding, that means we have to see we are adding select SSN from inserted. This is special object into the database. Then as you say, then if select count star from empty emp where SSN equal to, that means wrong SSN. Okay, wrong SSN greater than 1. Okay, now we have to put here, we have to close the statement here. As you see, it is wrong specified. Anyway, now let's begin, then roll back transaction, then we have to that specify what we need to see. That means actually I have one record here. We'll do this syntax raise error, because sometimes it's giving error, that's why I'm just copy pasting and roll back this raise error, then and go and then go. Now I'm executing this successfully. Right. As you see, it is in the trigger. When we just create a trigger, this trigger it will associate it in here. This trigger, see my trigger. Now you try to add same SSN again, then you will get error. See, SSN is duplicate. So now if I specify here any other way, like okay, SSN is duplicate, please not here. If I can add in that, then I can do that. But now we'll do try to enter same. As you see, it is giving the error. So thanks for watching.